it's not true K fashion to spend like £20 on an eyebrow pencil. It's really not.
Tell her walk one blood. Who killing them in the UK? Everybody gonna say UK.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kay and over here we do beauty related videos, and as you can see by the title, today we are doing a full face of black owned makeup. So the first time I did this was last year, and I promised that I'll be doing it more frequently. So I've slowly built up my collection of black owned products. So I want to do a little bit of playing around with them for you today. I really love how my face turned out. It looks flawless. This base is I love. So if you want to see how I created this look, please keep on watching. So I'm going to prime my face with the Fenty Beauty Hydrating Primer. I really love this primer, but I haven't been able to use it in a while because I've been using the Bobbi Brown. But it'll be nice to get back into it because I really enjoy this primer. I feel like my makeup stays on all day and it just looks so fresh and dewy. Not dewy, but you know, I don't know how to explain. You'll see. I just love the way it feels. I love primers that just feel so moisturizing. Primers that feel like moisturizers, that's my speed. So for foundation, I'm going to be using the Uoma Beauty Say What foundation. I just got this. I've used it once and I loved it, so I'm excited to use it again. I've got the shade Brown Sugar T2N, and for a neutral foundation, it's quite warm. Look at that. Very pretty. So in my opinion, this is like a medium buildable foundation, and it has like a satin finish, which is just up my street. So your girl is moving up in the world. I am using the McGrath Concealer today, and I'm using the shade M21. So this is the last shade in the medium range. So this this concealer is full coverage. It's super creamy. It little goes a long way. I don't know if I put a lot on, but this is my general amount that I'm gonna put on. But I'm learning to let my concealer sit. I've never liked that step because one, I'm impatient, and two, I have a fear of like when I leave. I have a horror story. I left my concealer to sit one time and then I tried to blend it out and the whole bit was just black and patchy, and I was just like, never again. But I'm trying, I'm learning, I'm growing. So I'm gonna do it today and see how it pans out. So I've let it sit for like a minute. That is as much as I can stand. And I've washed my sponge and we're gonna blend it out. So I'm using a microfiber sponge from Real Techniques. I usually use this for powder and I don't like it, but now I've been trying to use it for concealer then powder and see how that fares. I'm okay with it so far. This concealer, what? This concealer is beautiful. Like, it's not heavy, but it's full coverage. What? Tell me where I've seen that before. So to cream bronze, I'm going to go in with the black Opal foundation stick in the shade Suede Mocha. Ooh, today I'm going to do my nose. Wish me luck. I love the way this blends out, and every time I'm just shocked and amazed. Look at that. Beautiful. I'm loving the skin so far. So radiant, so beautiful, so supple. So I'm gonna go into a smaller brush to blend my nose contour. I think I'm gonna use this. Yeah, I'm just gonna use this. I usually use this for powder contour, but I like the way it's like fluffy and also flat somewhat. doing a great job. The concealer is mind-blowingly beautiful. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna go in with the Beauty Bakerie Flower Powder. I got this in the shade Cassava because my friend is always hyping it up. So I'm gonna try it and see how it works. I've never tried it before. Okay. It's giving Huda Beauty, which is my favorite powder, so I'm loving the shade of this powder. I'm loving the formula. It's just melting into my skin. Go Beauty Bakerie. Even though I don't highlight my chin with concealer, I'm still going to set my chin because that's like one of the oiliest places on my face. So I'm gonna go into my Fenty Beauty powder foundation and just lightly use that to set the rest of my face. I'm not gonna lie, the base is looking stunning. I'm not the best at contouring my nose, but I'm trying my best to find a way, but like, whatever. I never really contour it. I just kind of use the powders to just give it some shape, but like today I'm really going for it. So for bronzer, we're gonna get into the Fenty Beauty Mocha Mami. I know she has the new shade Thick Mint, but like that's for people that don't like red. I like a bit of red in my bronzer, so this is a good bronzer for me. So I'm just coating the brush properly because I kind of don't like clean brushes. I like a brush after like the second or third use. I don't really like a clean brush, but yeah. My face is looking snatched today. My face is looking extremely snatched, which I like, to be honest. It's been a while. It's been a while since I've been truly snatched. I'm just gonna wipe off the nose big because I'm scared. So for blush, I'm gonna use the Fenty Cream Blush in the shade Summertime Wine. I've been loving this blush recently. Like, you can tell that it's been highly loved, highly used. I want to get Rose Latte. Like I keep telling myself not to, but like the way I love this is just telling me you need Rose Latte. You just need Rose Latte. So I see myself getting it very soon. I did order it, but then the order got cancelled, so I'm gonna order it again. So what I like to do is I like to go in with like a dense / fluffy brush, somewhere in between dense and fluffy. You can see that it's dense, but it still has movement to it. It's not just. And then I go into the blush like that, and then I just put it on my face. And this way I have not had any problems. I haven't had any my makeup lifting or anything like that, and I've just been loving it. Been doing a great job warming up my face and making me look cute. So for brows, I do not have a black brow pencil. I know they exist, but they're a little bit expensive for me. They are. It's not true K fashion to spend like £20 on an eyebrow pencil. It's really not. I really do want to get the Uoma Beauty ones, but like as I said, £20. The next time I'm feeling reckless, I'll do it. I'm just gonna go into the shade Yode It and put that all over my lid. It's kind of like my skin tone, but maybe a hair darker. And then I'm gonna go into the shade Jamata. And just put that on the outer edge. I'm gonna blend that out with Yode again. I just kind of want it to have like a hair of the red in there because of my hair. I don't really want to do too much with the eyes. I kind of want it to be simple. I'm gonna do like a smoky liner look with Waldana and Shawata, so that's like a really charcoal grey and then a black. So I'm gonna go in first with Waldana. I'm just gonna dump it. I kind of like it without the black, so I'm just going to leave it without the black. So I'm just going to put a little bit of Yodit on my lower lash line and call it a day. So I changed my mind, I do need the black. So I'm just going to go into the black, which is Shawata. It's a nice black, very nice black. I'm just going to use that to get closer to the lash line and just define the wing a little bit more. It's funny because looking in the mirror, it looks like so sultry and intense, and then when I look in the camera, it's like I can barely see anything I did. But oh well. I really don't want to do too much on the eyes, as I've said for like the 1000th time. So now for the fun part. So I'm working on making my own lash line. Yes, it's in the making, and this is one of the lashes that I want to incorporate in that line. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put my lashes on. Oh gosh. I'm going to use the Uoma Beauty lip liner in the shade Simone. It's a very, very deep liner. I'm going to use Lady by Juvias Place. I love this lipstick. I'm going to use Fenty Glow Gloss Bomb to gloss it up. I'm just going to go do my hair and then I'll be right back. So we've come to the end. I actually love how everything came together. At first I wasn't sure how I was feeling about it because I felt like it was too simple. But I'm loving how it looks. I'm loving how it looks. I love the hair. So I have a video on this hair. If you want to see that, click here, or the description will be in the bio. This is giving me like Rihanna circa 2009. Was it 2011? Yeah, I love it. I love it. I love it. So please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'd love to see you in the next one.